In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your company information on your GitHub profile. This is a simple yet essential task, especially if you want to keep your professional network updated with your current work details. So let's dive right in and walk through the steps together. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the GitHub dashboard. This is the place where you manage all your repositories, track your projects, and gain access to your profile settings, which is exactly what we'll be doing today. Once you're on the GitHub dashboard, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You should see your profile icon there. It might display your profile picture if you've uploaded one, or it might simply be an icon. Go ahead and click on this profile icon. This will open a drop-down menu that offers several options tailored to your account settings. Within this drop-down menu, you'll want to select the option labeled Your Profile. By clicking here, you're essentially taking a shortcut to your personal GitHub profile page, where you can view your activity, repositories, and a host of other valuable information. Now pay attention to the left side of your profile page. Here, you'll find an option that says Edit Profile. Click on this to enable profile editing. On the profile editing page, you'll see various fields where you can input or update your information. For our purpose today, we want to look specifically for the field labeled Company. This is the section where you include the name of the company you're currently working with. Accurate and up-to-date professional information can be invaluable in maintaining strong connections in the tech community, so it's important to keep this information current. Once you've located the company field, simply enter the name of the company you're affiliated with right now. Make sure you double-check for any typos or errors, as this will be publicly visible, and you'll want your profile to exude professionalism. Now, the final step is just as crucial as these previous actions, so don't click away just yet. After you've input the company name, you must remember to save your changes. Look towards the bottom of this edit section and you should see a button labeled Save. Click this button to ensure your updated information is securely saved to your profile. And there you have it. Your GitHub profile now reflects your current professional standing. This ensures that collaborators, employers, or anyone viewing your GitHub page can easily see where you are working. Keeping your information updated not only helps in professional networking, but also adds a layer of credibility to your online presence. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found this guide easy to follow. Stay tuned for more tips on